difference to our determination to protect the PBS.
Shifting focus to more developments coming in, Taiwan has continued search and rescue operations following deadly flooding in Hualien County, which was caused by Super Typhoon Ragasa. The storm's outer bands have rained heavily on the east coast, which caused a mountain barrier lake to overflow and unleash a wall of water and mud on the town of Guangfu. Now, authorities have revised the death toll to 14, with 11 people still missing, and has noted that many of the victims were elderly or disabled and unable to evacuate to higher building floors. Listen in to a few locals who were affected by the floods.
So 他第一时间就在里面了。因为他女婿冒险，那个水退的时候有退，没有还到腰的时候，他没有勉强进去，结果在屋子里面，他往生在里面，都是泥沙在里面往生了。也没办法，人家弄出来，因为还报警以后。等到警察来了，水又淹起来了，没有办法进去把它。
Meanwhile, rescue teams continue to wade through thick sludge using excavators in order to search homes and clear the debris. Additionally, aid distribution and cleanup efforts are underway for residents impacted by the disaster. Friends and family of the missing remain anxious, hoping for news as authorities work to recover survivors and assess damage in the flood-ravaged town of Guangfu. Viewers, due to